I hope you guys are doing good today and welcome to today's video. So today we'll be talking about something on rate limiting. So without wasting any time, just get into the video. So what is rate limiting? So rate limiting is a technique used by a software and system to restrict the amount of traffic or request allowed from a particular source or user over a specific period of time. The goal is to prevent overwhelming our system, avoiding it from being unavailable or unresponsive. So this is the guys. So rate limiting is pretty important. If someone does any DDoS attack, so if they send more than 100 requests per second, so your system will get overwhelmed and it will get crashed and it will get auto rebooted. So you have to add up a lot of resources and background. So this is very important. You have to know what is rate limiting and how you have to tackle it. Okay, so there are 10 points associated with this particular topic. Just get into it. Rate limiting is a security mechanism used to prevent denial of service, DOS basically attacks, and brute force attacks, and other malicious attacks activity that can overwhelm a system. The rate limit can be enforced on a different level, such as IP address, user account, API keys, depending on the system design and the requirements. Rate limit can be applied to a different types of traffic as well, such as web traffic, API traffic, database query. So all these areas it will try to ruin it. Okay. Rate limit is usually defined as a number of requests allowed per unit of time, such as 10 requests per second, 100 requests per minute. Rate limit can be static, meaning they are fixed and cannot be changed, and dynamic, what it means they can be adjusted based on the system load and other factor as well. Rate limit can be implemented using a various techniques such as token bucket, leaky bucket, or sliding window algorithm. Rate limiting can have an impact on user experience as well, as it can slow down the system response or limit the number of requests a user can make within certain time frame. Okay, this should be very important. So rate limiting can be bypassed by an attackers using techniques such as distributed DDoS, which is DDoS, they say, denial of service, and IP spoofing, botnets. So it should be combined with other security measures as well, so, right? So by using such as WAF, it's very popular nowadays, web application firewall, and CAPTCHA, completely automated public Turing test to tell computer or human apart. So these things are in place to overcome it. It can be used on non-security purpose as well, such as to limit the bandwidth usage for a service or to enforce a fair usage, the policy amongst the users. Okay. So rate limiting can be monitored, analyzed to gain insight into the system usage pattern and to detect anomalies and suspicious activity. So that's all I have, guys. I hope you might have enjoyed on today's video. We'll see you on another super cool quality content, and please do subscribing it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.